You have a error -79 in error on Valorant. Okay, we're going to solve this problem, okay, step by step. Okay, the first fix for solve this problem, okay, is you go to the here or here, okay, go, and you go to scrolling down here, okay, and go to your PC, okay, here, and here you go to the in this units go to the C, and here you go to the this carpet or this, okay, depending your PC, okay. I'm go to this carpet, and here, okay, you go to the carpet of Valorant, okay, and go to the point exe, okay, of Valorant, okay. For example, Steam, you go to the point exe of Valorant and go to the properties and go to the compatibility, okay, here, and you go to the three option, okay, here in the run as administration, okay. You click to applicate and accept, okay, and you go to the point exe, okay, right click and run as administration, and you go here and you restart, okay, the PC, and you solve the problem on Valorant. Bye bye.